Today we'll do the glucose test, and for this we have Erba brand reagent. Glucose test reagent is stored at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Now we'll open this. As we can see, there are 3 types of bottles. 2 are of glucose reagents, 2 are diluents, and third one is standard. Mix glucose powder in liquid and then keep it at room temperature for 30 minutes. Before doing the glucose test, first we will do the calibration and control. After completion of 30 minutes, we will use glucose reagent to prepare cuvettes for calibration and quality control. For calibration, we need 6 clean cuvettes. Calibration chart, 2 micropipettes, 1 large of 100 to 1000 microliters and 1 small, 5 to 50 microliters. Micropipette tips, both large and small, and tissue paper. Now we'll do the calibration according to the procedure mentioned in the chart. And for that, we need 4 cuvettes for calibration and 2 for control. We'll add 500 microliters of reagent to all the cuvettes. Glucose standard will be added in volumes of 5 microliter, 10 microliters, 20 microliters and 30 microliters to the first 4 cuvettes respectively. Next, 5 microliters of L1 will be poured into the first cuvette of the quality control. And 5 microliters of L2 will be added to the second quality control cuvette. Now we'll do incubation. And for that, calibration and quality control cuvettes are prepared. Next, we will incubate at 37 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes or at room temperature for 25 minutes. After incubation, we will take out the cuvette containing calibration and quality control from the incubator. Then we will proceed to the biochemistry machine for calibration. On the display of the biochemistry machine, there are 2 options. First is Accurate All and second option is AccuKind. We will choose Accurate All and then press 0 to enter calibration mode. Glucose test is available under Accurate All. Enter code, that is 3 times 0. And then press 2 to calibrate. Press 1 for calibration. Next, select glucose test at number 1. The machine asks for 0 reference. To set 0 reference, we will place the cuvette with distilled water and press enter. Then machine asks for standard. And for that, 1x, insert cuvette labeled as 1x and then press enter. For 2x, insert the cuvette labeled as 2x and then press enter. For 4x, insert the cuvette labeled as 4x and press enter. For 6x, insert the cuvette labeled as 6x and press enter. Now the calibration is done. To view the value on the display, press 5. To print, press read. Then press del button and yes to go back. Now we have to perform quality control process in biochemistry machine. For that, select the glucose test by pressing one button and press enter. Now right arrow to select L1. Display shows perform control test. We will take L1 cuvette and press enter. Press read to print. Now we'll take L2 and press enter 3 times and then press read button to get the print. Quality control is now done. Now we'll perform tests for patient samples. We have samples of 2 patients marked as label 1 and label 2. Press 1 to select level 1. First we'll take label 1 sample. Press enter and then read to get printout. For label 2, press enter, then press 2 to select label 2. And read to print. Thank you.